Early in the course, we added in a sidebar with the archive section. These dates which are displayed are dynamic, meaning WordPress automatically adds in these dates when a blog post is available in a particular month and year. If we go ahead and click on a particular date, we see that the posts available are for the given month. We can see this up in the URL. We see the year followed by the month the blog post was created. This all works pretty fine at the moment, so there is not a lot of work left to do. The only thing I am going to change is to make this page a custom archive template, which will also show the month we are viewing, rather than this default index.php. A file called archive.php will be recognized by WordPress, and we're going to use this for this archives view. Just like all of the other templates, we're going to add a new file in the root of our project. This one is the archive with the .php extension. So as we just seen before, the functionality of this view is very similar to our normal blog. So I'm going to copy and paste in the contents of the index.php. Let's select all, copy this, paste this into the archive template. And then we can change the comment up at the top. So rather than this being the main template file, we're going to change this to the template for displaying archive pages. All we need to do is to add a WordPress function called the archive title. And I'm going to add mine inside of the blog section, just underneath the call MD8 section just here. So let's do this. Immediately underneath this, this is a PHP function with the name of the archive title. Add the brackets and then the semicolon at the end. Then inside of here, we're going to add two parameters separated by a comma. This is going to be surrounded in a level 3 heading. So we can add the HTML of h3, so the opening tag. Then afterwards, we can close off our h3. I'm also going to add a horizontal line. So let's add a HR just before the closing tag. And this will add a line just underneath the title. So now we can go over to the browser and check this out. Let's go to the archives, click on any date. And this function will now show the month of the blog posts, which we are currently viewing. So the user knows exactly where they are on the site. This is just a small change, but a really useful one for the user experience, so they know exactly which page they are viewing.